Okay, I just made a deposit. So I want to start afresh and I'm going to start small. So I'll be right back. I'm going to check for signal. Okay, I just had my first trade, just placed my first trade. Most of my entry today has been very on track. Okay, this was a wrong time, bad entry, but I was privileged to make the profits. Very privileged. Was a very bad one. I entered too early and I entered at the wrong time. Uh, Maybe because I've had a couple of bad trades. I'm gonna pause and look for correct signal and trade like I'm not gonna record them. I'm just gonna once I'm done, I'm just gonna come back and you're gonna see all the ones I've done. Okay. Uh Just to let you know, when you lose, you try again, and you get back on your feet. So because I had loss of over like $200 does not mean I'll stop trading. So I want to show you what I've done. Now you see I have $74. Now I want to show you this. Okay, let's go to um I'm refreshing so that you see uh, some people think it's always doctored or something. I don't know why they would think that. So now let's go to the profit table. Now I want to show and share with you when you're not in the right state of mind and you're trading, you're definitely going to experience losses. Now, before I show you what I did with $20, I want to first show you my losses. Now, I've been working on some different things, so my mind has been on different levels. These are losses I've had, right? These are losses I've had. $40, $15, $100. If you add everything up, that's about let's say $200. These are pure profits that I've made. So if I lose it, it's still profit that I've lost. I've not lost anything. Now I now deposited fresh money, which is $20. Now this $20, these are the trades I've done. Trade one, which was very close. I entered too early. Uh, Trade two. Now I did what is called compound trading. I only did five trades, right? One here, two here, three here, four here, and five here. So you see how I did the trade. I was using everything to trade. So I was able to grow our $20 into $75. So meaning I just made like $54 profit from $20. I just made $54 from $20. Now, because I had losses experience does not mean I have stopped trading. Of course, see, I'm going to make it back, but I'm not in a rush. But you see, the challenge with a lot of people is they don't have proper money management. They want to hammer. When they experience losses, they want to make it all back at once. I'm not interested in making it all back at once. In fact, for today, is as good as I just traded, so I'm in like my minus 50, minus 150. That's just it. So I continue till I make it more and I dominate. So I'm showing you this as an example so that you know that every day is not Christmas. Are there days you experience losses? You can see the losses, you can see it. You can see all the losses. So it's important you understand how it is. Uh, it's very simple. It's very, very, very simple. Anybody can do this, I always say. But see, you require to have the right mindset. I wasn't with the right mindset while I was doing all this trading because I was disturbed and I was entering too early in the signal. So that's why I experienced losses. And I told you, if you want to trade, please kindly ensure you use the money you can afford to lose. How do you recuperate or recover from your losses? This is how: slow but steady. Don't be in a hurry. You cannot make, you didn't lose it in a hurry. Let me show you from the statement. I withdrew like 128, 108. So this is what you're seeing here now. I just withdrew. I had to grow $20 back into like 120 something dollar. Now I've withdrew 100. So that means I'm making progress, right? Yeah, I'm making progress. Now, where did I withdraw it into? I withdrew it into Bitcoin account so that I can start all over again. That's the purpose. Now, I withdrew into, you can see deposit, you can see the deposit. So I also had to now trade with Bitcoin. I made like 26%. So I want to withdraw this amount now. I know it should be more than, this should be roughly about, let's say, maybe $130 now. So let me process it for withdrawal, cashier uh, withdraw. Now I'm going to pause this so that it's be faster. Okay, so I want to withdraw this. I've already copied my wallet address, and I'm also going to be entering the whole amount. 13216. Okay, that's just about it. So I'm going to be clicking on withdraw. Okay, it looks as if nothing happened, but you can see the pending transaction. So by morning, this will be clarified, and I will have Bitcoin. I'll have Bitcoin. The more reason why I'm doing Bitcoin is because I quickly want to collect the money. I don't want to leave it in my perfect money at all. All right, so you can see the process. Let me explain the process of this trading section, all that happened and all that transpired. So I'm going to be going back to like I'll go back to the USD so that I can get to show you what I did. I had some losses, some setbacks. I still have $20 to trade with, which I will definitely use. Um, I've had some setback. Where profit table, right? Okay, profit table. I had some setbacks. I lost like about $200. Yeah, I lost about $200. So if I lost $200, let me see what the value of this the Bitcoin I withdraw. I'm withdrawing. Let me see the value of it in USD. So I'm going to be writing here. I have 0.0132 something. Okay, $134 plus $20. That's about 150. No, I have 136 $34 minus 200. That's like 64. So I've been able to minimize my losses, control my losses, not immediately, but with due process. That's what everybody needs to do. Learn to do that. Else, you are not going to be profitable at all. What happened is that now, right now I'm having like $134, which is still part of my money, and this money is profit. So have I lost? Nah, not really, not at all, not at all, not at all. I've already done my payment, so I'm done for the day. You can see the loss is there. So it does not lose. It's just, I lose. Losing is part of the whole drill, but you see, don't allow it to get to you. You can see all the losses, right? The trades are together like uh, this, this one, this trade is together. I did them at the same time. Also, this one, these two, I did them at the same time. These two, uh, the 5 and 40, I did them at the same time. 100 separate, 40 and 15, I did at the same time. I had all losses. You can see losses even while I was building up the $20. Did I lose? Yes. Will you lose? Yes. You cannot just be winning, 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 winning. You can say green, green, green. But hey, am I still at profit? Yes. I've made profit with $20. I'm still going to grow this $20 with do another section some other time and grow it. But you see, the whole essence why I'm sharing this with you is so that you understand the process. You see, you have to experience losses. Now, prepare your mind to be able to manage the losses. Whatever rules, whatever guide I give you, you should ensure you follow because it's going to help you to always come back. Oh, all right. God bless you. I'll see you another time.